All right, guys, we are back, and this is the bottle that got bottle of the year last year, but it's a new year, so this is not that same bottle. Go
This
ahead.
is the 11-year VVS. I'm not sure if this one's going to be the overhyped one. I haven't opened it yet.
We went down in years.
Down in years, I think this was $200 or slightly above $200 at KBF. The line was crazy long on this. Like I almost just out of principle didn't even want to wait in line because there were so many other good distilleries out there.
Yeah.
And everybody's waiting in line for this bottle. So I don't know. We had VIP, so we had a shot at this one. I don't know if it's going to be good or not good. Then you even see people, this chaps my ass, but you even see the people, dude, they buy it, they sit it down, and they instantly start taking pictures on it to sell it on secondary.
There were pictures on secondary of the grass, and I recognized the outside of Heaven Hill.
Yeah,
So-
and I think the one that I saw sold for $8.25. I am very certain that bottle's not
worth that.
$25. No, we're gonna see if it's worth $200.
Yeah.
Now, this one, you will get to see the full video on it because I know this will matter to you guys. This is, again, whoa, there we go.
It's good seal.
What does VBS stand for?
Very, very special.
Very, very select.
Hey, that's what it is. Does it have
We're gonna
VBS
decide all
on here?
that. We're gonna decide all that. Let's see.
Now, Tim, I did a video on cracking new things with friends, man. I didn't know I was this good of a friend, god dang it.
I didn't say you were.
Oh!
You
Presumptions,
you
I
put,
tell you.
You put the whiskey on a pedestal. It's just whiskey.
I almost said something referencing 40-Year-Old Virgin.
Oh, watch it.
You haven't seen the movie, have you?
No, I have.
Oh, really?
It's been
I didn't
a while.
think this guy watched movies, so I don't know.
Just not the Catwoman stuff.
No DC.
No Marvel, man. He's like, what
I
the
don't
hell?
know.
All right, well, we've got to get your take on this. Guys,
I'm gonna give it a couple seconds.
let it
just
sit.
to
But
make
while it's
sure.
waiting, Tim, teach me a little bit because last year I got to get some perspective. I didn't, if I'm being honest.
These are bottle and bond. It's the decanter bottle, super nice. They just released a 7-year, I don't know what, $45 bottle, something like that.
Yeah.
And that's a decent bottle. It's that one. The 7-year doesn't beat the Green River 7-year weeded.
Not at all.
And that's a weeded mash bill.
It's a really nice decanter.
I used to collect those until I started drinking them, and then I was like, I'm not collecting these. They don't do much for me, to be honest.
Yeah, and when you
now,
say
now
that
some
much-
of them, the 16-year was good, 17-year, 19-year, those were good. I wouldn't say they're great. So these, if you're looking for a raving review, I'm kind of going in thinking that it's not going to be great. But but I don't know.
Do you think the proof always hurts? Old Fitz.
they sold this for
man.
what?
Not necessarily.
It's always 100 proof.
Oh,
like
oh
yeah.
my God, people.
Well, yeah, it's a bottle and bond. Like it's.
I get it. The rules are the rules. I understand that part. I remember you walking me through that. Unfortunately, I'd have to be out if we were on Shark Tank. You'd say, well,
Okay. I mean, I like it.
look, by now you guys who watch, you want to see an eyebrow raise. The eyebrow didn't come up.
I think it did. I mean, I like it. It is very soft. It's very drinkable. Would not pay $200 for that.
Yeah, a crushable bottle at 200 is a problem.
You're paying for the name. You're paying for the decanter, and the line of thousands of people in line for this is disturbing. Because the previous one at KBF, which you bought, you got one.
I got it unopened still.
You haven't opened it. Maybe you should crack it. I cracked this one with you. Maybe you should crack
I would
it.
open it if you come to Booze and Foods and open it.
Mondays.
That's my day off.
That's his day off.
family day.
That's family. Look,
Bring it.
that is not. we'll put it like this, guys. I cracked Parker's. Chance brought some stag at the last one. I did some shorts on the importance of making sure you crack great bottles with great people. Tim said to me many times, "Boy, you still hold on to that? Fucking drink that shit." And he's right. He's right. He's right. There's more things in this world. These guys keep buying whiskey anyway, so it ain't like it's going out of style.
I like it. I think if I blinded this against the Green River 7-year, I think I like the Green River better.
You would know-
the weeded, and that's weeded versus weeded.
Right.
Oh, they both weeded.
Yep.
Yeah, 7-year versus 11-year.
Oh.
Now you get a little bit more proof on that one,
Right. Which helps.
which helps.
What
But
does it say weed on here though?
it might not
They're
say
always.
I'm sorry, no, I just was asking. Maybe if
Yeah.
I was a new person buying it, and you
Old
told me
Fitz is
all weed.
Always a weeded
Oh,
match.
so that's something that should be known, basically.
yeah. I actually like it a little bit better than what I was expecting.
So it crept up on you, huh?
Well, most of those, like you try them by yourself, like meaning they're not in a lineup, they're not in a blind lineup. You just try it by itself, and you're like, okay, that's a good whiskey. You put it in any kind of respectable lineup,
Yeah.
and they're towards the bottom.
It falls off.
They're towards the bottom in a blind.
This to me,
This would
if
be-
I had 4 Blendery bottles lined up, and guys, don't take my opinion for what it is, it's worth nothing. If I had 4 bottles lined up that I have chosen or found at the Blendery through him giving me the opportunity to dig in, and you put this at the end, this to me would be like a Basil Hayden to me. It just doesn't taste in terms of comparison to the flavor I've had there. I'm sorry. I'm just telling you, like, I had Basil Hayden that tastes like water, and I was like, dude, this must be big. And they were like, yeah, that is.
It's good. I would say it's closer to like $120
Yeah.
value.
If you buy this for $800, you're gonna be mad.
As hell. As
Unless you're
hell.
just collecting them all, then that's
Yeah, if you're a collector,
It-
so be it. But this is not the one that you would say it deserves your rent. For some people, like Kansas City rents $850. You get a 3-bedroom apartment for $850. Not in Texas, but
a buck like that. A little
I'm just-
support group over there.
all I'm saying is the Old Fitz. And I'm not a whiskey wizard, but based on the stuff I've had, from Golden Grains, Orange
light,
Juice
light.
to any of the bourbon or Buff Turkeys, some of the more recent 18 years, I would never buy that. Not in comparison to what I can get at your, basically back home, at your house. His house meaning the Blendery.
Yeah.
It's light, it's soft, it's sweet.
Chance, you're not seeing your face, Chance. What
There's
I'm
not
good
a-
about
there's
is
not a whole
your
lot
Chance is a loss of words because he goes, well, he's thinking, what the fuck?
It's good.
I bought this shit.
There's not a lot of
No,
complexity.
I listen. I waited in line for this shit. Right?
I know.
I waited for like 30 minutes, and then all of a sudden they came out and said we don't have any more, and I was mad, right? And now I'm like, why did I even wait in that line?
Yeah, well, that's my point. Chance was disappointed. I saw him in line. I
The
went and
lines were
spoke to
longer
him.
than 30 minutes, so that wasn't you weren't at the front of the line.
I wasn't in VIP. I did the GA. Yeah.
He's GA
you,
getting
you had another like 45 minutes.
Oh yeah,
after
yeah. I
that.
was nowhere near the front.
easily. And I'm telling you, the guy, Chance is a whiskey connoisseur. So I said you'll see him more on some of the stuff that we're putting out. But for a fact, Chance is
Yeah.
looking crazy because he's like, I can't believe I was mad at myself for not getting it. And now I'm like, thank God I didn't get it.
I'll tell you that one.
Nah.
Hey, you would take that Jim Beam over this, wouldn't you?
The lineage, hell
The
yeah.
lineage every day, all day.
Well, that's my
He,
point. I'm talking
he was talking about the,
I was talking about the-
8-year pin.
the pin.
The pin
I was like,
bottle. He
nah,
considered-
not the pin.
This is better than the pin.
Yes.
Now this is better than
I
the
don't
pin.
think it beats the Green River 7
The
years.
Green River is unbelievable. So, guys, in the next video, we're going to line everything up that we reviewed. We're going to rank them. Tim's going to break down what he saw, complexity, texture profile, all that other good stuff. Maybe revisit a few to get a reminder. But for the most part, you saw first crack from KBF inside of our Airbnb with real reactions. I know nothing about whiskey. He has great perspective, and this is the man himself. And you just saw firsthand, it could be better. It could be better.
Yeah, nothing to write home about. I'm not going to tell anybody to go buy that bottle.
No.